Yeah.
I've already found hair. We're not even 2 minutes in.
Okay. Time to get some soap.
It's got to look disgusting.
Don't know, I'll let you guys actually see.
This sounds
And they have like that. So. You still have that? I don't even know where my one is. I know, when you guys like that, but then I can't have it like that. No problem. Oh. So.
Let's not. In the moon.
Girl, that's so much. That's a bit much. Thing is,
I rolled mine and said, "Do you want to do a squishy?" She's like, "Yeah, sure, why not?" And he was like, "Yeah, got it."
Hey, mine no cheese. They're not cheese. I can't.
I've done mushroom textures dumplings. Just got to do this myself. Ew, it's really disgusting.
No, it's not that bad. Do not mind. This is a really weird squishy, Freya.
I'm gonna
Freya,
try squishies.
do not mind this squishy.
Oh, I love that squishy of yours.
Yeah, I love it. That's hard. Okay, I need to go get my phone. I will be back. Hopefully, you guys just not getting it. I've got the phone. Got the boots. Okay, my hands are so
Why are you wearing your swimming costume?
Yeah, because I'm gonna get changed.
You should really got changed before the video, but...
Oh well, who cares? Oh. Time to mix. Actually, why am I mixing?
Mom, have you got any haters yet?
Huh?
Have you got any haters yet?
No. Not that I know of.
You should really start checking your comments.
I do. Ew,
Yeah, but on every YouTube video, like, I'm gonna go through each night, and I'll be like, if I say hey, I'll be like, back off, we don't need your opinion.
Fred, do you remember that girl in your TikTok videos? I hated her. Like that girl who used to hate on your videos.
Why? She's like getting...
I am. I ain't getting him.
Yeah, but mine's like up to my, like, not even up to my heel. It's hard. Now I can wash them better. But you know, it's actually so good.
No, it's too hard. I want my Dr. Pepper. Hello, where are you? Where's my Dr. Pepper? Need it. I forgot. Can't find it.
What's that? Is that one of the Pepsi?
Blobbles. I bet my blobbles aren't going to be sticky. Well, thank you. Not me. Where's
Wait a moment, I want to use the camera for ASMR quickly. Ready?
Wait, where is my salmon squishy? I can't find it. Did I put it in it?
Oh.
Where is it?
I've heard 5 videos.
Where is my salmon squishy? Not
Alright, it's ready?
you.
Alright, what do you have for once today?
Huh? Yeah, Freddie popped mine. Freddie popped mine.
No.
I know.
Did it smell the liquid or was it just water?
He popped it in my car.
Oh my gosh, Freddie.
Yeah.
But yours sounds squishy. When you put it in water, they're so hard.
No, they're not.
Mine is.
Mm.
Is yours like freezing cold, Maya?
My water's warm.
Oh, that's probably why. Mine's freezing cold.
Oh. Why is it going all the way over here? I want it all over here.
Clearly, you can say you don't have an ice cream needle.
Where's mine? Hello, where are you? Here. Here. Fake jelly squish. Freya, fake jelly squish. Freya, PV how I know it's fake.
Fake jelly squish.
No, sorry, Papa. Yippee. Yeah, I like the feeling of this.
Yes,
Wait, I want to do this with my heaviest squishy. Okay, I feel like slam down. I'm trying to go slam down. Wait, so, where is it? Hello. Wait, what about my sausages? Okay, why is this nice? Nice. Bro.
Someone says no one has over 100 squishes. PME just showed my collection. There's Apple on a tour on my bubble.
I have more squishes than this. I'm gonna go find them.
I'm gonna count them,
All these squishies as well. I know what the whole move. Hi, Madison. Okay, let's make cheese, but I don't really like milk cheese.
Right, Mom, I've actually done every squishy. Well, that took me about 20 minutes to do all of them. Guys, I think the video won't be...
Hi, Maddie. I'm going to wear matching pyjamas to you. I'm going to wear my jelly cat. I'm going to get changed. Oh. I think I accidentally hung up. Okay. Maddie's trying to get off my bar. But anyways, I couldn't find any more squishes except for mochis, which I hate mochis. Well, I don't hate them. I like my nails. The thing is, this one fell off. Like, only this bit, and then they fell way too much. Looks ugly. Yeah, I'm guessing my squishies are done. I'm at air. Okay, so see you guys next time. I was like, yeah, I'm planning on making a video about like, oh, wait, why did I not wash this squishy? Like, there's nothing, it's not flowing on anything. Bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna roll it. These are my favourite fidget now. My carrot. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye.